A very good evening to one and all. Welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. Here you can see the shining stars. So I have decorated my house for the Christmas, and I hope you all will celebrate this Christmas in a very merrier way. For today's Christmas special delicacy, I am going to prepare homemade chocolate. So let's go to the kitchen and start with it. So we are in our kitchen and I will tell you the ingredients that are required for the homemade chocolate. We require very simple and basic ingredients. So the first ingredient is the powdered sugar. This is 1 cup powdered sugar. Next is the cocoa powder. So this is another 1 bowl. We can take extra also if required. So as of now I have taken the 1 cup cocoa powder. Here are few cashews, so roughly chopped cashews I will be using. And I have purchased this silicone mold for this homemade chocolate. So it is very handy and you can use it in refrigerator, in oven. It will be very good for your homemade chocolate. So we will quickly start with the recipe. So coming to the next step, I will be using a bigger plastic bowl and a normal strainer. So firstly we will pour all these dry ingredients all together and strain it out. You can see the dry ingredients are now ready, and now I will take water into a pan and I will heat it for some time. Once the water starts boiling, I will keep another vessel and pour oil. So the water is almost heated up. It's now time to take another vessel which is heat resistant. So I am going to make use of this kadai and I will keep over it. So this is the arrangement. As you can see, I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil into this small kadai, and now we will mix the dry ingredients into this. Once you pour all the dry ingredients, it's time to mix them well into the oil. So here I have mixed the ingredients properly, and you can pour little milk while making this format, and then we will check to the next step. So the final step is we have to take this little amount of batter and put into this mold, arrange it properly, add a small piece of cashew in between, take little more, that's it, and you are done. We are going to refrigerate this thing and then we will take out the chocolate. So similarly you have to fill the other molds. You can also make use of your choice of dry fruits. You can also use of pista, you can also use of almonds. It's completely your choice. Fill the gap and you are done. So I have arranged all the chocolate batter into this silicone mold, and now I am going to refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours. So let's do that. So the chocolates has been refrigerated for around 4 hours, and now we can remove this from the mold. Wow, so this is the shape it has taken. You can see. Similarly, we will remove all this and we are done. my homemade chocolates are now ready to eat. You can see how beautifully they are. This can be your Christmas treat. You can give this to your kids, your family members, and enjoy your Christmas. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please support and subscribe to my channel. Remain healthy and stay healthy. Goodbye.